Alright guys, welcome to this page of the notes, and hopefully what you're doing is you've tried this problem on your own and now you're just coming back to check and see if you got what I got. Here we go. I want you to write the equation for a parabola. I tell you the vertex is at 5, 6, and the directrix is x equals a -2. Well, alright, here we go. We know that the vertex is always hk, so let's go ahead and plot that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right there. I also know that the directrix is at x equals -2. That's a vertical line that goes through x equals -2. So there is my directrix. I know that the axis of symmetry has to go through the vertex. So there is my axis of symmetry. And we also know, right, that the parabola must go through the vertex and open away from the directrix. Well, the directrix is that vertical line. So my parabola has to go through this point, open away from the directrix. Ooh, look at that. We now have ourselves a horizontally oriented parabola. So please be very, very careful. You go to your formula sheet, find the horizontal orientation, and it tells you that it is x equals a times y, careful, minus k squared plus h. Please be very careful of the details. It is written right there on the formula sheet for you. You will have it. Just pay attention to the details. Watch out for it. The k and the h have switched places. So anyway, there we go. But I know h and k, so once again, just like in all these problems we've done, what you don't know is a. Fortunately, I've given you the equation for the directrix. You take a quick look at your formula sheet, and what it tells you is the directrix is x equals h minus 1 over 4a, right? That's how you find the directrix. It's right there on the formula sheet. So we'll plug in what we know. Chances are pretty good a is going to be the only thing I don't know. X, well, x is -2. H, well, h is 5. Minus 1 over 4a. I'll subtract the 5 to the other side. That's going to leave me with a -7 is equal to -1 over 4a. Multiply the -4a, right, because the 4a is in the bottom. Multiply -4a to the other side. -7 times a -4 is a positive 28. So I get 28a is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 28, and we get a is equal to 1/28. Plug everything in, and you're all done. X is equal to 1/28. Y. K is 6, so it'd just be -6 squared, and h is 5, so plus 5. And there you go. That is your equation in vertex form for this horizontally oriented parabola that has a vertex of 5, 6, and a directrix at x equals -2. It's that formula right there. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this set of videos, Chapter 9, Section 2, where we looked at our first type of conic section parabolas. I love these problems, especially because it brings back completing the square, which is something we've already looked at, but now adds sort of this real kind of intriguing idea to it of being able to graph these conic sections by completing the square. And again, as long as you've got that formula sheet, it's just plug and chug once you know a, h, and k. I had a really good time looking at these with you. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye.